Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm dealing with a Cub Cadet 46-inch mower. I've had it about 10 years and it takes a beating. I have 2 acres, constantly hitting rocks, and I recently hit a rock and I was getting a really bad rattling sound. I checked the top of the mower deck and I discovered that the metal that the spindle goes through, that it totally cracked the steel. So I was looking online, trying to find a solution. I couldn't find anything, and I was all set to buy a new mower deck for about $900 or so. And then I stumbled across this. This is called a Spindle repair ring, and what it does, it sits on the bottom. You place it on here, you put your spindle through the top like you normally would, and then you put the bolts through here, and that'll supposedly reinforce the spindle and give it stability, being this cracked. So I'm gonna put this on and let's see how it goes. I bought these bolts off of Amazon. They are 1.5 inches, and they also came with a washer, a locking washer, and a nut, which I'm going to use just hopefully for added stability. So I'm gonna put these on right now. Just to give you a topside version of the mower deck, this is where the steel broke and split, and then obviously the bolt coming through the bottom. Okay, I got the spindle repair ring on. Obviously you have to take off the mower blade, and then once you get the repair ring on, you put the blade back on. So bolts go through the bottom. I have a washer, and then on the top side of the mower deck I have a locking nut, a locking washer, and then a nut. So hopefully this thing will work. Seems pretty steady right now, but as the blade's spinning and stuff, who knows. I'll update you accordingly if I have a problem with this thing or if it fails. Something I did fail to mention, I got the repair ring off of Amazon. I'm not getting paid anything for this. They give you 3 repair rings, and I think I paid like $25 or $26 for that. And it did come with the regular size bolts, but as I said, I used 1.5 inch bolts. This way I could put the nuts on the top side of it just to give it some more stability. So thanks for watching. I apologize if this video wasn't the best, but I decided to do it at the last minute. Kind of had a long day, but if this video helped you out, give a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. And see you on the next video. Thank you.